Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The Apple Watch Ultra series has always stood at the forefront of innovation, offering a unique blend of rugged durability and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an extreme athlete, an explorer, or a tech enthusiast, Apple has consistently catered to those who demand more than just a standard smartwatch. As we head into 2025, the anticipation for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is reaching new heights. This new iteration is poised to revolutionize the wearable tech market with some shocking upgrades. Let's dive into the 5 key features that are expected to redefine the Apple Watch experience and make the Ultra 3 the ultimate smartwatch. A sleeker and thinner design. The Apple Watch Ultra series has always been known for its robust build, designed to withstand harsh environments. However, with the Ultra 3, Apple is expected to deliver a more refined design. Leaked information suggests that the Ultra 3 could be 15% thinner than its predecessors. This slight reduction in thickness may seem subtle, but it makes a significant difference in terms of comfort. Imagine wearing your smartwatch for hours during long hikes, trail runs, or dives. It will feel lighter and less bulky, enhancing the overall user experience. The design change is not just about slimming down the device. It's about striking the perfect balance between rugged durability and comfort. This design tweak could be a game changer for adventurers and athletes who need a wearable that fits comfortably while still offering extreme durability. Massive display upgrade. Apple is known for its stunning display technology, and with the Ultra 3 we can expect an even more immersive visual experience. The Ultra 3 may feature the largest screen ever seen on an Apple Watch, surpassing the already impressive Series 10. The key to this expansion lies in the bezel size. While the previous Ultra models featured noticeable bezels, Apple is rumored to adopt an edge-to-edge design, much like the Series 10. This means users will experience a larger, more vibrant display without increasing the overall size of the watch. A larger screen enhances usability for activities such as navigation, emergency calls, and real-time health tracking. Plus, with improved clarity and higher brightness levels, the Ultra 3's display will be perfect for adventurers who need to quickly glance at their watch in challenging environments. Next-gen OLED display, LTPO3 technology. In addition to the size upgrade, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to feature the latest LTPO3 OLED technology. This next-generation OLED panel will deliver sharper clarity, higher brightness, and improved visibility under any lighting condition. Whether you're under the blazing sun or in low-light environments, the new display will ensure your watch remains legible at any angle. Currently, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers an impressive 2,000 nits of brightness, but the Ultra 3 could push this to a mind-blowing 3,500 nits. This means that even in the harshest outdoor conditions, such as direct sunlight or snowy environments, the display will remain easily readable, making it ideal for those who spend a lot of time outdoors or in extreme conditions. Satellite connectivity for emergency situations. One of the most exciting and anticipated features of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the inclusion of satellite connectivity. While Apple introduced emergency satellite SOS with the iPhone 14 Pro, the feature never made its way to the Apple Watch lineup until now. Satellite connectivity on the Ultra 3 would allow users to send emergency SOS messages, even when they are out of cellular range. This feature is a potential lifesaver for anyone exploring remote areas, whether they're hiking through mountains, kayaking in isolated locations, or venturing into backcountry skiing. Having the ability to communicate directly with rescue services without relying on a smartphone could make all the difference in emergency situations. It's the type of rugged independence that the Apple Watch Ultra series promised from the beginning. Connectivity for enhanced performance. Another major upgrade expected with the Ultra 3 is the inclusion of 5G connectivity. While LTE support has been available for some time, 5G offers a significant boost in performance. This upgrade would allow for faster data syncing, improved call quality via eSIM, and a better overall experience when streaming music or handling real-time notifications. With 5G networks becoming increasingly widespread, this upgrade feels perfectly timed. For those who use their Apple Watch Ultra for everything from fitness tracking to on-the-go data management, 5G will ensure a seamless experience with lightning-fast speeds and greater reliability. When can we expect the Apple Watch Ultra 3 As for the release date, Apple is likely to unveil the Ultra 3 during its annual fall event, typically held in early to mid-September. Historically, the device would be available for purchase about 10 days after the announcement, meaning we could see the Ultra 3 on shelves by late September 2025. Pricing and availability. As for pricing, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 currently starts at $799 in the US. However, with the added features and technological advancements expected in the Ultra 3, there could be a slight price bump. While Apple may keep the base price close to $799, some regions may see the price edge closer to $850 or even $900 due to inflation and rising component costs. International buyers should also be prepared for potential import fees and tariffs. Conclusion: is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 worth the wait? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be the next evolution of wearable technology. With a sleeker design, a larger and more vibrant display, satellite connectivity, and 5G performance, it's clear that Apple is committed to pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. For current Ultra users, these upgrades could be the perfect reason to make the jump to the Ultra 3. And for new users, it might just be the ultimate smartwatch for those who demand the best in both form and function.